arts and spiritual experience. This is going to be a video on one of the greatest mystics of India, the greatest yogi, Sri Mahavatar Babaji. Mahavatar Babaji, who is an invisible yogi, resides in the Himalayas. It is believed that his age is more than 5,000 years. He will appear in front of you, or he will give you darshan only if you truly believe in him. Babaji was born in 562 BC in Kadluru, a village in Tamil Nadu. Babaji was named as Nagaraja by his parents. Nagaraja means king of the serpents. There is a very famous story of Mahavatar Babaji, who is also known as Nagaraja. When he was 4 or 5 years old, his mother procured a jackfruit and left it in the care of Nagaraja. It was Nagaraja's favorite fruit. She left the home for some of the errands, and Nagaraja relished the entire fruit. So when his mother returned, she noticed that the entire jackfruit had been eaten, and she got really angry, and she stuffed a cloth down Nagaraja's mouth. Nagaraja almost suffocated, and he was about to die. Even though he was really young Nagaraja forgave his mother and thanked God for showing him that she was to be loved unconditionally without any attachment or any illusion. For many years, he lived alone in a cave, practicing the Kriya Yoga techniques and the Kundalini Pranayama that had been taught to him until he became a true Siddha, a perfected soul who had mastered both his body and the elements and had merged into the infinite supreme power that resided in him as well as the universe. He came to be known as Baba Brahmananda. Babaji had many great disciples, out of which Lahiri Mahashaya is the one known to the most of the people, since he has been mentioned in the famous book The Autobiography of Yogi by Paramahansa Yogananda. His meetings with Babaji took place between the years 1861 and 1935. It was in the year 1861 Babaji taught him a powerful series of yogic techniques known as the Kriya Yoga. This was taught in the cave which is known as Babaji's cave in Dwarhat, Kumaon district of Uttarakhand. The learning of Kriya Yoga and the Kundalini Pranayama, Mahavatar Babaji reached a stage of immortality and took a samadhi. The invincible sage Mahavatar Babaji, even though he is 5,000 years old, he still looks like a 20-year-old person. So that is one of the most mysterious fact about Mahavatar Babaji. The next recorded evidence of Babaji's encounter came in 1861 in one of the famous books, The Autobiography of Yogi. In the book, as it goes, the Lahiri Mahashaya, the accountant for the British government, was roaming across the hills in the Himalayas, and there was a person calling him by his name. Following the voice of the mountains, Lahiri Mahashaya met a divinely radiant sadhu who was none other than Mahavatar Babaji. If you want to know more about how to reach Mahavatar Babaji's cave in Dwarhati, We've already made a video on that topic. We will post the link in the description box. Now, I would like to tell you some of the famous disciples of Mahavatar Babaji. Superstar Rajnikant, Indian cricketer Virat Kohli, Apple co-founder Steve Jobs, Bollywood actress Jacqueline Fernandez and Juhi Chawla, and many amongst others. If you have liked the content of this video, please hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up and like the video. That will motivate all of us. Thank you.